we are able in this economy and in this day and age to utilize social media, to utilize big platforms, to be able to pivot and change and create the life that we want to create. Hey Bill, hey Rebecca, how's it going? Hey Brandy. We're able to shift and create the life that we want to create. And so often we sit and wait around for an opportunity. But what if you recognize that you were the person to create that opportunity? You were the person to start asking questions and get in front of people that you want to be like. You know, there's so many people out there that are so sick and tired of working paycheck to paycheck or working 2 or 3 jobs and don't have any freedom to do the things that they want. You don't have to do that. Listen to me say that again. You don't have to do that. You can do something different. And you don't need any experience, you don't need any education, you don't need any background. You just need to be coachable and you need to be open to learning a few new skills, and then link arms with somebody that knows what they're doing. Link arms with somebody that has created success or is living the life that you want to live. And stop feeling sorry for yourself and start taking full ownership of your life and where you are right now. That's a little scary sometimes, but I'm telling you, nothing will shift unless you shift. So it's your time. It's your time to change things. You know, we think, oh my God, I'm in my 30s. I know that my 40s and my 50s are going to be my best year. I'm just getting started. And I'm so excited because I get to build a brand new team, a brand new culture, a brand new life for so many people. And I want to take you. If any of this resonates with you, if any of this is, you know, you're sick and tired of what you're doing right now, it's not working for you, you're tired of spinning your wheels, things can change. And like I said, I walked away from a multiple 6-figure income that I think I scared the crap out of a lot of people. I think it made a really big impact when I walked away, because people couldn't understand why I'd walk away from that money, because my integrity means more to me than money. And I'm here to make an impact, and that's the biggest thing. So if you're watching this right now and any of this resonates with you, or you know somebody that needs to hear this, tag them in this video, share this video, reach out to me. And I'm so happy to just give you information, right? I think everyone should make an informed decision. I think that we should be given enough information that you can make an informed decision. And I wish I'd said no to this industry for 2 years, this industry that absolutely shifted and changed our lives to 180 degrees. I said no for 2 years because I was scared. I was scared I wasn't smart enough. I was scared I didn't have the skills. I was scared that I wouldn't be any good at it and I wouldn't make any money. I was scared to put myself out there, but now that I have and I'm on the other side, you have to believe me when I say that you can do it too. I'm nobody special. I'm a small town girl from a middle class family that had big dreams and big goals and wanted to give my family an extraordinary life. That's what it comes down to. So what do you want? What's important to you and what are you willing to do for it? Happy Wednesday. We'll see you soon.